Henley.
Can I also associate myself with the comments and that the Minister for the Wales Office mentioned, and my thoughts are very much with the people of Monmouthshire as they try to get their lives back on track. She mentioned quite rightly that these severe weather events are increasing in frequency, and I wonder, further to the very wise words of the Honourable Member for Cardiff West, in addition to the collaboration between the two governments, in light of the increasing frequency of these severe weather events, I wonder whether it's also time for us to consider some sort of central resilience fund to help provide that additional emergency support, which sadly is becoming far too routine.
I thank the Honourable Member, and he quite rightly points out that important link between climate change and increased flooding, which I mentioned earlier. And it is very important to note that we do need that resilience. We do need to build that into communities, to housing, and I know that there is a fund that exists. We're putting that funding in. This government takes it very, very seriously in terms of investing in that, whether that's new builds, whether that's existing builds, whether that's communities at risk, businesses at risk, infrastructure at risk. We absolutely need to ensure with changing weather patterns, increased rainfall and further flooding, we need to make sure our communities, that people across the country are safe.